Hey, welcome my scrapping friends. I am Vanessa with Scrapping It Up, and these are my interactive 12 by 12 pages. Okay, now this set is not completely finished, but I want to show you. Okay, I'm still working on all this, so yeah. So if you haven't caught some of the other sets that I have shown, I will put them down below. I will put the link down below to where you can go purchase the tutorial. I will tell you, it is a work in progress. There is no cutting guides quite yet, but they are coming. I'm going to be working on them this weekend, so you guys can have them. And I will be coming up with an album to put these into too. 3 different albums with 3 different storages. So right now I have all my tutorials 50% off. That does include the interactive ones, okay? That ends this Sunday, September the 17th. And you guys, you don't want to pass this up. You honestly do not. If you purchase it today, you get all the future things that I add into this. And I'm going to tell you, this file, this folder is going to be huge. Huge. I'm incorporating it to where a beginner can do this and you know, clear up to the advanced scrapbooker. So I have different variations. I have an album we're going to make. I have a 3D ring binder that we're going to be putting these into for the beginners. And then I'm going to have another one that's in the middle for, you know, it could go either or. So I hope you guys are excited about these as I am. I've been wanting to release these for a while now, and I finally got the courage up to do it, and I would love to know your comments down below of what you guys think about this new concept, okay? I am bringing our mini album world into the 12 by 12 scrapbook world. Yes, I am marrying both of them. And one of these one album, and you can do, you know, 4 sets, 6 sets. It's totally up to you. You can choose 1 set, just do 1 set. It's going to be very versatile, very versatile. And one album is going to hold roughly around 600 photos. Yeah, 600 photos. And, you know, versus we have 4 or 5 albums on a shelf, you're going to now have 1 album, okay? It's wonderful, wonderful. So don't miss out on this opportunity, okay? So let's dive into this one right here. And I used some jute to kind of keep it all nice and tidy. And like I said, this set is not done yet, okay? I'm like I said, this is a work in progress, okay? So you have this nice layout here where you can put photos. You can put photos over here too. This opens up. This one's going to be hard to keep on camera. We have a pocket here. Yep, we have a pocket. See, I'm getting ready to get the cutting guides all done. I created these just on the fly. And, you know, I didn't think I'd ever have a need for a cutting guide. But I do. I do. Because I want you guys to be able to make this too. So then we have this here. And like I said, this is not done yet, okay? So you have a pocket here and a pocket here. Okay? So then that closes. And then this opens. So you have a nice place here and here. And then we have a belly band here, and then we have photo mats. Or flaps. So that's that set. Okay. Again, it just closes up. All right. Here is the other side. And again, the jute to keep it all nice and tidy. So that opens up, and then this opens up. And again, you have a nice pocket here, okay? And then this opens up, and you have a pocket here and a pocket here. And then that opens up like that. And then I think that goes underneath here. It's been a while since I've worked on these. So this opens, that opens. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Adventure awaits. Love it. So then again, we have a belly band and some little, little booklets that we're going to be putting inside this one here. So I think I was designing them to do this underneath there. Kind of stagger them out. But yeah, we should. This one's probably going to hold, I'm going to guess, probably about 90 photos. Both, this set here. But yeah, there you go. I do have one more set. It is not finished. And where is that set? I don't even have it decorated or anything yet. And where is it? There it is. I found it. So I'll just show it right here. I won't do a video on it, but I'll just show you right here. Okay. It's another set here. And it kind of opens up like this. We got some pockets. But yep, here is another set. If I remember right, this opens up. Yep. So this set here is really a work in progress. It's not even finished, guys. Not even finished. But yeah, I do have. But I will be working on this. I'm going to a retreat this weekend, so I am going to be working on all this, trying to get it all finalized. Not all finalized. I don't think it'll ever be finalized because I think this is going to be an ongoing project that's going to keep giving and giving. So if you want to purchase the tutorial right now, well, it's a low price because I guarantee you, once I start getting the cutting guides done for all this and the storage boxes and everything, I will tell you the price is going to go up. You won't want to miss out on this, guys. Okay? All right. That's it on all the sets. Like I said, I will put the other ones down below if you want to go check them out. Please let me know in the comments what you think about these sets. I would greatly like to know what you think about this idea. All right? All right. As always, keep scrapping. And we'll be talking to you guys later. Bye-bye.